po katagal, paano niyo po nagagamit yung cellphone para sa negosyo?
Malaking bagay kasi doon po nakakontak yung mga customer ko, doon sila nag-ano sa pero yun yan, trust ang procedure.
Does your establishment have internet connection? If yes, if no, would you consider having it in the future? Gusto niyo po ba magkaroon ng internet?
Someday,
Does your business have a website? Wala. Gusto niyo din po magkaroon ng website?
depende. Pag lumaki na siguro yung business.
If applicable, would you consider giving free Wi-Fi access in the future? Gusto niyo po bang magkaroon ng libreng Wi-Fi para
Pwede, opo, para sa mga customers.
When did you start your business?
Nung March, itong March lang.
What services or products do you offer?
Ano, silog, french fries, milk tea, fishball, mga turo-turo, mga tusok-tusok ba.
What made you choose your company's location?
Ano, kasi malapit sa school. Ayun, malapit sa school, tapos matao.
Next, how long have you worked in business management?
1 year.
1 year. What unique about your company?
Approachable, tsaka kaya tayo ng
How much time do you spend working on your business each day?